Welcome to the 2017 Science Olympiad National Tournament Awards Ceremony. To get things started, let's take a few minutes and look back at some of the action for the past 2 days.
Science Olympiad because it's just a fun thing, and like you meet people from all around the country that really like the same thing as you do, and it's just really fun.
I like Science Olympiad because it's not limiting like school or a lot of professor stuff, you know, it's very open. You can do whatever you want.
Is the teamwork which we use to like do all the projects and all, and how all 15 people in the team collaborate to win a medal. In the national tournament, there's a bunch of cool activities around, and also there's a bunch of science labs which I can go to.
I really enjoy how I can learn about other areas of science that aren't taught in typical high school classes.
I mean, I've done this for like 7 years now. Like Science Olympiad has been a big part of my life, and it's really neat being able to meet a bunch of people from different schools and being able to form kind of this family and team bond that you really don't get.
What I enjoy about Science Olympiad the most is like the community that we're immersed in. We're always around people who love to learn and are eager to learn more about just science in general. So that's why I love being around.
I like how we're all equally minded and like trying to work towards a similar goal. I like how that brings us together.
When you're competing and like the awards, like the rush, just the experience in general is amazing. I personally like seeing everybody like all excited and seeing everybody together from different states because not many people, you know, get to travel and see other people. It's it's a one in a lifetime experience. Like we just saw people from Alaska and we're all the way from Florida, so it's like people that we'd never see otherwise. And seeing them like here in the university life, it's like 10 times better. And you meet so many nice people. Yeah, same thing.
I'm surprised at big scale of this event and enjoyed the competition and communication with American people.
Science Olympiad is so different from what I studied in school. So it's an interesting and wonderful experience.
Please rise as we honor America with the singing of the national anthem. Please put your hands together for Dr. Gerard Putz, President and co-founder of Science Olympiad.
Good evening and welcome to the 33rd Annual Science Olympiad National Awards Ceremony. This ceremony is about celebrating your success and your passion for learning science and your passion for problem solving. We hope you enjoyed this weekend's activities as much as we did, and we wish you a lot of success in the awards ceremony tonight. So, let me know. Did you have fun today, and are you ready to find out who won? Before we begin, let me provide you brief stage directions. Division B will enter and exit on the right side of the stage, where I'm standing, and C on your left. Then we want you to find your place up here on the stage. Sixth place will be on each end, and first place will be center stage. Please stand on the X's. When you get up here, you'll see X's. The medal presenters will be behind the X's and presenting you with the medals. At which time, turn around and face the cameraman. After the first place team accepts their medals, the next division awards can begin. There is a ramp backstage if needed, but can only be accessed on the left side of the stage. All right, we're ready to begin. I want you to please welcome our Division B presenters. In sixth place, the medal presenter will be Franklin Allaire, National Event Supervisor for Invasive Species. Fifth place will be Dr. Jennifer Wirt, the New Jersey State Director. Fourth place will be Angela Davis, Dr. Angela Davis from Ohio State Director and Ohio State University. In second place will be Rebecca Cole, President of the Wright State University Foundation. And presenting the first place medals will be Dr. Lehman, that you met last night from Wright State University. Oh, and I missed, they've changed the order at the last minute. Thank you very much. And I overlooked it. We have in third place David Deptula, also from the Wright State Foundation board member. Sorry about that. For Division C, the sixth place medal hangers will be Dr. Peter Ung, Science Olympiad State Director and Advisory Committee member. Fifth place Ms. Samantha Bonelli of Ward Science. Fourth place, Ms. Diane Carroll of the Center for Disease Control. In third place, David Senna of ArcelorMittal. Second place, Mr. Ken Genader of Lockheed Martin. And assisting me in presenting the medals and the trophies in first place will be Miss P.J. Simon of the DuPont Corporation. All right, before I introduce the announcers, which one of you brought up the results? Who has the results? Time to begin. Let me begin before we announce the results, let me present the announcers. For Division B, please welcome Dr. Nathan Klingbeil, Dean of College of Engineering and Computer Science. And the Division C announcer, Mr. Jim Woodland, Chairman, Science Olympiad National Executive Board.
Good evening. Future scientists and engineers, the winners of the first trial event tonight, the roller coaster, we have in third place from the state of New York, Paul J. Jelinas, Junior High School. In second place, from the state of California, Oak Valley Middle School. And in first place, from the state of New Jersey, Community Middle School.
Moving on to C Division, the first trial pilot event we are awarding is indoor bottle rockets. In third place, from the state of Hawaii, the Trelawney School. In second place from Nebraska, Lincoln Southwest High School. And your national champion in indoor bottle rockets, first place, Minnesota, Mounds View High School. From the state of California, Mira Loma High School, your champion in Wright Stuff Capacitor from Illinois, Adley E. Stevenson High School.
In anatomy and physiology, sixth place from the state of Kentucky, Russell Independent Middle School. In fifth place from the state of Wisconsin, Hamilton Middle School. In fourth place from the state of Ohio, Solon Middle School. In third place from the state of California, Winston Churchill Middle School. In second place from the state of Minnesota, Chippewa Middle School. And in first place, your national champion from the state of Nevada, Hyde Park Middle School Academy of Science and Math.
Division C, the first national championship we will be crowning tonight, Anatomy and Physiology. There is also a special award that will go along with this competition. In 6th place from Missouri, Ladue Horton Watkins High School. In 5th place from Texas, William P. Clements High School. In 4th place from California, Troy High School. In 3rd place from Pennsylvania, Harriton High School. In 2nd place from Minnesota, Mounds View High School. Your national champions from Michigan, Northville High School. To you, Patty Palmetto, our National Event Supervisor for Anatomy and Physiology, who will present the students in the first place team with a special award on behalf of our partner, the Society for Neuroscience. Patty.
Each student on the first place team plus one teacher or coach will be awarded an expenses paid trip, which includes travel, lodging, meals, and registration for Neuroscience 2017, held in Washington, D.C. in November. They will have special sessions and meetings with mentors. In addition, they will receive the stunning Crystal Trophy. Congratulations.
from the state of Georgia, Dodgen Middle School. In 5th place from the state of Washington, North Shore Junior High School. In 4th place from the state of California, Oak Valley Middle School. In 3rd place from the state of Tennessee, Bearden Middle School. In 2nd place from the state of Ohio, Solon Middle School. In 1st place, your national champion from the state of California, Winston Churchill Middle School. Your 6th place team from Georgia, Chattahoochee High School. Your 5th place team from New York, Fayetteville Manlius. Your 4th place team from Washington, Camas High School. Your 3rd place team from Minnesota, Mounds View High School. Your 2nd team from Texas, William P. Clements High School. The national champions of astronomy, Illinois, New Trier High School. sixth place from the state of Texas, Beckendorf Junior High School. In fifth place from the state of Illinois, Daniel Wright Junior High School. In fourth place from the state of Michigan, Meads Mill Middle School. In third place from the state of Illinois, Marie Murphy Middle School. In second place from the state of Virginia, Longfellow Middle School. And in first place, your national champion from the state of North Carolina, Piedmont IB Middle School.
Again, this is a special award. There is a special award associated with this first place. Your sixth place team from Pennsylvania, Bayard Rustin High School. Fifth place team from Texas, William P. Clements High School. Fourth place team from Maryland, Centennial High School. Third place team from Pennsylvania, Harriton High School. Second place team from California, Mira Loma High School. And your national champions from California, Troy High School. The winning students and coach for Chem Lab will receive a voucher for a $1,000 Texas Instruments data collection prize package from our longtime partners, Texas Instruments. Please pick up your voucher located at the table on the stage behind me.
In sixth place from the state of California, Winston Churchill Middle School. In fifth place from the state of Virginia, Longfellow Middle School. In fourth place from the state of Michigan, Meads Mill Middle School. In third place from the state of Indiana, Thomas Jefferson Middle School. In second place from the state of Ohio, Tower Heights Middle School. In first place, your national champion from the state of Minnesota, Chippewa Middle School.
Division C, Disease Detectives, also a special award attached with this one. Sixth place from New Jersey, West Windsor Plainsboro High School South. Fifth place from Washington Camas High School. Fourth place from Missouri Pembroke Hill Upper School. Third place from Pennsylvania Harriton High School. Your second place team from California Troy High School. Your national champions also from California Mira Loma High School. Disease Control, who will present the students on the first place team with a special award and invitation to CDC headquarters in Atlanta. Diana.
Thank you so much. Wow, what a day. We are so very pleased at CDC to be able to partner with this wonderful event. I know there are lots of budding disease detectives out there, and I'm very pleased to welcome our winners this year and 2 adult chaperones or coaches to visit us at CDC, to come to Atlanta and attend the 2018 annual conference of our Epidemic Intelligence Service, which are our disease detectives. So on behalf of the Epidemiology Workforce Branch, I'd like to present this honor, and we're honored to host you. Thank you so much.
From the state of Virginia, Longfellow Middle School. In 5th place from the state of Washington, North Shore Junior High School. In 4th place from the state of Massachusetts, A.W. Coolidge Middle School. In 3rd place from the state of Hawaii, Highlands Intermediate School. In 2nd place from the state of Minnesota, Chippewa Middle School. And in 1st place, your national champion from the state of North Carolina, Piedmont IB Middle School.
The 6th place team from Texas, Liberal Arts and Science Academy. 5th place team from Georgia, Brookwood High School. 4th place team from Pennsylvania, Harriton High School. 3rd place team from Georgia, Chattahoochee High School. 2nd place team from Minnesota, Mounds View High School. Your national champion from Texas, William P. Clements High School.
place from the state of Wisconsin, Hamilton Middle School. In 5th place from the state of Illinois, Daniel Wright Junior High School. In 4th place from the state of California, Winston Churchill Middle School. In 3rd place from the state of Missouri, Ladue Middle School. In 2nd place from the state of North Carolina, Fred J. Carnage Magnet Middle School. And in 1st place, your national champion from the state of Virginia, Longfellow Middle School.
Division C event we will be awarding is in ecology. Your 6th place team from the state of California is Troy High School. 5th place team from the state of Ohio is Solon High School. 4th place team from Colorado, Fossil Ridge High School. 3rd place team from California, Miraloma High School. 2nd place team from Connecticut, Hopkins School. The national champion, 1st place from Missouri, Pembroke Hill Upper School.
Division B. 6th place from the state of Ohio, Solon Middle School. 5th place from the state of California, Winston Churchill Middle School. 4th place from the state of New York, Eagle Hill. 3rd place from the state of Illinois, Daniel Wright Junior High School. 2nd place from the state of Virginia, Longfellow Middle School. And in 1st place, your national champion from the state of Michigan, Meads Mill Middle School.
Division C electric vehicle, 6th place from Ohio, Mentor High School. 5th place from Minnesota, Mounds View High School. 4th place from Virginia, Fairfax High School. 3rd place from Pennsylvania, Harriton High School. 2nd place from Florida, Boca Raton Community High School. The national champions from California, Miraloma High School. an event where there is another special award attached to that. I would like to introduce Ken Grenadier of Lockheed Martin, who will present the students on the first place team with a $1,500 scholarship. Ken. Accept this $1,500 award for excellence.
You know, Lockheed Martin is the science and engineering company. 50% of our employees are scientists and engineers. We are so proud to present this scholarship.
Stand for one.
Event from Division B. In 6th place from the state of California, Winston Churchill Middle School. In 5th place from the state of Georgia, Fulton Science Academy. In 4th place from the state of Pennsylvania, Springhouse Middle School. In 3rd place from the state of Ohio, Solon Middle School. In 2nd place from the state of Hawaii, Highlands Intermediate School. And in 1st place, your national champion from the state of Illinois, Daniel Wright Junior High School.
C, experimental design. Your 6th place team is from North Carolina, the North Carolina School of Science and Mathematics. 5th place from Ohio, Mentor High School. 4th place from Ohio, Solon High School. 3rd place from Illinois, Adley E. Stevenson High School. 2nd place from Georgia, Brookwood High School. The national champion from the state of Texas, Liberal Arts and Science Academy.
From the state of Michigan, Baker Middle School. In 5th place from the state of Ohio, Solon Middle School. In 4th place from the state of California, Winston Churchill Middle School. In 3rd place from the state of New York, Eagle Hill. In 2nd place from the state of North Carolina, Piedmont IB Middle School. And in 1st place, your national champion champion from the state of Illinois, Daniel Wright Junior High School.
C, forensics. There is a special award attached to this competition as well. Your sixth place team in forensics from Florida, Boca Raton Community High School. Fifth place from Ohio, Solon High School. Fourth place from Illinois, Adlai F. Stevenson High School. Third place from Illinois, New Trier High School. Second place from Massachusetts, Acton-Boxborough Regional High School. The national champions from Michigan, Northville High School. The winning students and coach for forensics will receive a voucher for a $1,000 Texas Instrument data collection prize package from our longtime partner, Texas Instruments. If you would please come over to this side of the stage and pick up your voucher. Congratulations.
For Division B, in sixth place, from the state of Missouri, Ladue Middle School. In fifth place, from the state of Wisconsin, Hamilton Middle School. In fourth place, from the state of Pennsylvania, Shady Side Academy. Third place, from the state of New York, Paul J. Gelinas Junior High School. In second place, from the state of Illinois, Marie Murphy Middle School. And in first place, your national champion from the state of North Carolina, Piedmont IB Middle School.
C, game on. Sixth place from Nevada, Ed W. Clark High School. Fifth place from Pennsylvania, Bayard Rustin High School. Fourth place from New York, Columbia High School. Third place from Ohio, Mentor High School. Second place from Hawaii, the Ohlone School. And your national champion from the state of Michigan, International Academy Central.
In sixth place, from the state of California, Oak Valley Middle School. In fifth place, from the state of Illinois, Daniel Wright Junior High School. In fourth place, from the state of Michigan, Meads Mill Middle School. In third place, also from the state of Michigan, Baker Middle School. In second place, from the state of Texas, Beckendorf Junior High School. And in first place, your national champion from the state of Ohio, Solon Middle School.
Competition in Division C we are awarding medals to is in helicopters. Sixth place from Nebraska, Lincoln Southwest High School. Fifth place from California, Miraloma High School. Fourth place from Ohio, Solon High School. Third place from Michigan, International Academy Central. Second place from Michigan, Northville High School. The national champions are from Texas, William P. Clements High School. For this competition, I would like to introduce to you Tom Sanders from the Academy of Model Aerodynamics, who will present each student on the winning helicopters team with a special scholarship. Tom.
Hey everybody. The Academy of Model Aeronautics is the largest model aviation organization in the world, and we're both humbled and honored to be associated with by far the best science, STEM organization and competition in the world. Science Olympiad rocks. With the first place team, the two people from the first place team, come on up here. The Academy wants to honor them with a $500 scholarship to the college of their choice. Congratulations.
And back over to Division B. In the meteorology event, we will also conclude with a special award for the first place team. In sixth place, from the state of Michigan, Baker Middle School. In fifth place, from the state of North Carolina, Piedmont IB Middle School. In fourth place, from the state of New York, Paul J. Gelinas Junior High School. In third place, also from the state of New York, Eagle Hill. Second place, from the state of Michigan, Meads Mill Middle School. And first place, your national champion from the state of Texas, Beckendorf Junior High School. And now I'd like to introduce Janine Montgomery from the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, who will present the students on the first place team with a special prize package and an invitation to their National Weather Service office. Janine.
Thank you. NOAA is very pleased to be a sponsor of the meteorology competition again for your Science Olympiad. We would like to present our winners with a special reward for their efforts today, a small token of our esteem with a small gift card from Amazon and also a certificate. And also from your local weather forecast office, we would like to arrange a special tour for you and your coaches and parents. NOAA and science missions that we do reaches from the bottom of the ocean to the surface of the sun. We're very proud to have been part of your lives today, and we hope that we have made your life today just a little bit more special. Thank you.
Our next Division C awards go in the event Hovercraft. 6th place, Missouri, Ladue Horton Watkins High School. 5th place from California, Mira Loma High School. 4th place from Ohio, Solon High School. 3rd place from Illinois, New Trier High School. 2nd place from Georgia, Chattahoochee High School. The national champions from the state of Texas, Liberal Arts and Science Academy.
To Division B, the Micro Mission event will be followed as well by a special award. In 6th place, from the state of Michigan, Meads Mill Middle School. In 5th place, from the state of Tennessee, Bearden Middle School. In 4th place, from the state of New York, Paul J. Gelinas Junior High School. In 3rd place, from the state of Illinois, Daniel Wright Junior High School. In 2nd place, from the state of Virginia, Longfellow Middle School. And in 1st place, your national champion from the state of Missouri, Ladue Middle School. Students and the coach for Micro Mission will receive a voucher for a $1,000 Texas Instruments data collection prize package from our longtime partner, Texas Instruments. Please pick up your voucher from the table located on the stage behind you.
Division C, Hydrogeology. 6th place from Florida, Boca Raton Community High School. 5th place from Texas, Liberal Arts and Science Academy. 4th place from Washington, Camas High School. 3rd place from Texas, William P. Clements High School. 2nd place from Massachusetts, Acton Boxborough Regional High School. The national champions are from Illinois, New Trier High School.
Impossible event for Division B. In 6th place from the state of Virginia, Longfellow Middle School. In 5th place from the state of Michigan, Meads Mill Middle School. In 4th place from the state of North Carolina, Piedmont IB Middle School. In 3rd place from the state of New Jersey, Community Middle School. In 2nd place from the state of Illinois, Daniel Wright Junior High School. And in 1st place, your national champion from the state of Kentucky, Russell Independent Middle School.
Division C competition was invasive species, which has a special award. 6th place from Michigan, Northville High School. 5th place from Florida, Boca Raton Community High School. 4th place from Georgia, Brookwood High School. 3rd place from Ohio, Solon High School. 2nd place from Texas, Liberal Arts and Science Academy. The national champions are from Pennsylvania, Harriton High School. Associated with this event, and it's my pleasure to introduce to you Franklin Allaire, our National Event Supervisor for Invasive Species, representing Orkin, who will present the students on the first place with $1,000 scholarships to the college of their choice. Franklin.
Good evening. It is a privilege and an honor to represent Orkin, the national sponsor for the invasive species event. We've been lucky to have Orkin on board with us for the past 2 years, sharing their amazing online insect library with us and providing expertise at events. In addition to their commitment to educating the public about invasive species, Orkin is proud to help support the next generation of entomologists. On behalf of Orkin and their parent company Rollins, I'd like to present these two $1,000 scholarships to the winners. Congratulations.
And back over to Division B. In the optics competition, in 6th place from the state of Illinois, Marie Murphy Middle School. In 5th place from the state of Minnesota, Chippewa Middle School. In 4th place from the state of North Carolina, Piedmont IB Middle School. In 3rd place from the state of Michigan, Meads Mill Middle School. In 2nd place from the state of Ohio, Solon Middle School. And in 1st place, your national champions from the state of New York, Paul J. Jelinas Junior High School.
C, Material Science, your 6th place team from New Jersey, West Windsor, Plainsboro High School South. 5th place from Illinois, New Trier High School. 4th place from Pennsylvania, Harriton High School. 3rd place from Ohio, Solon High School. 2nd place from California, Troy High School. The national champions are from Texas, William P. Clements High School.
From the state of New York, Paul J. Jelinas Junior High School. In 5th place from the state of Wisconsin, Hamilton Middle School. In 4th place from the state of New York, Eagle Hill. In 3rd place from the state of California, Winston Churchill Middle School. In 2nd place from the state of Ohio, Solon Middle School. And in 1st place from the state of Illinois, Daniel Wright Junior High School, national champion.
C, Microbe Mission, which has special prizes associated with this competition. In 6th place from Texas, Liberal Arts and Science Academy. 5th place from New Jersey, West Windsor, here we go again, West Windsor Plainsboro High School South. 4th place from Illinois, Adley E. Stevenson High School. 3rd place from Pennsylvania, Harriton High School. 2nd place from Florida, Boca Raton Community High School. The national champions from the state of California, Troy High School. Present to you P.J. Simon of DuPont, who will present the students on the first place team with $1,000 scholarships to the college of their choice. P.J.
Well, thank you, sir. DuPont Pioneer delivers solutions to help meet the world's growing population. We're committed to increasing food production with high-quality Pioneer brand products, as well as the science that maximizes agricultural productivity. I'm deeply honored to present this $1,000 scholarship.
From the state of Michigan, Baker Middle School. In 5th place, from the state of Ohio, Solon Middle School. In 4th place, from the state of Washington, North Shore Junior High School. In 3rd place, from the state of New Jersey, Community Middle School. In 2nd place, from the state of Pennsylvania, Springhouse Middle School. And in 1st place, your national champion from the state of Missouri, Ladue Middle School.
Division C, Optics, your 6th place team from New Jersey, West Windsor Plainsboro High School South. 5th place from Minnesota, Mounds View High School. 4th place from New York, Fayetteville Manlius High School. 3rd place from Michigan, Northville High School. 2nd place from Pennsylvania, Harriton High School. The national champions from the state of Missouri, Ladue Horton Watkins High School.
Sixth place from the state of Illinois, Daniel Wright Junior High School. Fifth place from the state of New York, Paul J. Gelinas Junior High School. In fourth place from the state of North Carolina, Piedmont IB Middle School. In third place from the state of Illinois, Marie Murphy Middle School. In second place from the state of California, Winston Churchill Middle School. And in first place, your national champion from the state of Ohio, Solon Middle School.
C, remote sensing, sixth place from California, Troy High School. Fifth place from Missouri, Ladue Horton Watkins High School. Fourth place from North Carolina, William G. Enlow High School. Third place from Illinois, Adley E. Stevenson High School. Second place from Texas, Liberal Arts and Science Academy. Your national champions from Pennsylvania, Harriton High School. Special prize awarded with this event. The winning team from remote sensing will receive a prize package of educational resources from NOAA. It will be shipped to your school. Congratulations.
And moving back to Division B, the Scrambler event. Sixth place from the state of Indiana, Thomas Jefferson Middle School. Fifth place from the state of Texas, Beckendorf Junior High School. Fourth place from the state of Illinois, Daniel Wright Junior High School. In third place from the state of Ohio, Solon Middle School. In second place from the state of New Mexico, Albuquerque area homeschoolers. And in first place, your national champion from the state of North Carolina, Fred J. Carnage Magnet Middle School.
Division C, robot arm. Your sixth place team from Minnesota, Mounds View High School. Your fifth place team from Georgia, Chattahoochee High School. From Florida, in fourth place, Archimedean Upper Conservatory. Third place, place from Illinois, Adley E. Stevenson High School. Second place from California, Troy High School. The national champions from the state of Ohio, Solon High School. To introduce Ken Grenadier from Lockheed Martin. Ken will be presenting the students on the first place team with $1,500 scholarships.
It's a pleasure for me to represent Lockheed Martin, the #1 defense company in the world. We're all about science and technology. We have manufacturing places around the country, and 50%, or about 50,000 people in Lockheed, are into science and technology or engineering. It's my honor to present these 2 scholarships to the first place award winners. Please give them a round of applause. Thank you.
Churchill Middle School. In 5th place, from the state of Ohio, Tower Heights Middle School. In 4th place, from the state of Illinois, Daniel Wright Junior High School. In 3rd place, also from Illinois, Marie Murphy Middle School. In 2nd place, from the state of New York, Paul J. Jelinas Junior High School. And in 1st place, your national champions from the state of Texas, Beckendorf Junior High School.
And minerals in Division C, and there's a special award attached to this one. In 6th place, rocks and minerals from New York, Fayetteville Manlius High School. In 5th place from California, Troy High School. In 3rd place from Texas, the Liberal Arts and Science Academy. In 3rd place from Ohio, Mentor High School. In 2nd place from Colorado, Fossil Ridge High School. The national champion from the state of Ohio, Solon High School. privilege and pleasure to introduce to you two special people, Karen Lancour, National Rules Committee Chair, and Bonnie Van Heck, who will present the students on the first place team with the first Mark Van Heck Memorial Scholarship. These $2,000 scholarships were established to honor the memory of Mark Van Heck, National Earth and Space Science Rules Committee Chair, who passed away this spring. Karen and Bonnie.
It is a great honor for me to represent our entire Science Olympiad family in honoring Mark Van Heck. I had the pleasure of working with Mark for over 30 years in Science Olympiad. He started back in 1986 as a coach. He served as a regional, state, and national event supervisor, a regional director in Michigan, the state director in Michigan, and finally the National Committee Chair for Earth Science. Mark worked tirelessly as a master teacher, developing new and innovative events for Science Olympiad and new and innovative training materials to help students learn to enjoy all the different areas of science. Mark was firmly convinced that the ultimate reward that a student could achieve in Science Olympiad was that fortunate young person who found something in an event in Science Olympiad that they loved so much that they would pursue it as a career, and they would be privileged to spend a lifetime working in an area that they truly loved. I can think of no better way to honor Mark than with a scholarship that will help our young people to continue to fulfill his dream. Thank you. I'm honored tonight to have Mark's wife, Bonnie, who truly worked on every bit of Mark's achievement. She was truly the wind beneath his wings, and she's here with me to present the scholarship. Thank you, Bonnie.
Sixth place from the state of Michigan, Meads Mill Middle School. In fifth place from the state of New York, Paul J. Jelinas Junior High School. In fourth place from the state of California, Winston Churchill Middle School. In third place from the state of New Jersey, Community Middle School. In second place from the state of Ohio, Solon Middle School. And once again, in first place, your national champion from the state of Texas, Beckendorf Junior High School.
C. Towers. Your sixth place team from Michigan International Academy Central. Fifth place team from Ohio Mentor. Fourth place team from California Troy High School. Third place team from Illinois Adley E. Stevenson High School. Second place team from Alabama Auburn High School. The national champions from New York Fayetteville Manlius High School. Associated with this event. I would like to introduce to you David Senna of ArcelorMittal, who will present the students on the first place team with $1,000 scholarships from our structural engineering partner, ArcelorMittal. David.
Wow, good evening. Is everybody having a great time? I thank you for sharing this event with me. It's such an exciting event. ArcelorMittal is honored to be one of the sponsors, and I wish all of you the best of luck. ArcelorMittal is the world global leader in steel producing, and one of our strategic initiatives is investing in the future. And one of these items is investing in your students. Congratulations to all of you.
Division B, in the Right Stuff event. Sixth place from the state of Colorado, Preston Middle School. Fifth place from the state of Illinois, Marie Murphy Middle School. In fourth place from the state of Pennsylvania, Shady Side Academy. In third place from the state of Illinois, Daniel Wright Junior High School. In second place from the state of California, Winston Churchill Middle School. And in first place, your national champion from the state of West Virginia, Huntington Middle School.
C, Wind Power. Sixth place from California, Miraloma High School. Fifth place, Illinois, Adley E. Stevenson High School. Fourth place from Ohio, Solon High School. Third place from Minnesota, Mounds View High School. Second place from Illinois, New Trier High School. The national champions from the state of California, Troy High School.
in Division B, Write It, Do It. In 6th place, from the state of Illinois, Daniel Wright Junior High School. In 5th place, from the state of Kentucky, Russell Independent Middle School. In 4th place, from the state of Texas, Beckendorf Junior High School. In 3rd place, from the state of Virginia, Longfellow Middle School. In 2nd place, from the state of California, Winston Churchill Middle School. And in 1st place, your national champion from the state of Georgia, Fulton Science Academy.
Tonight. Congratulations to the winners up to this point. Let's get on and find out who it is in Write It, Do It Division C. 6th place from Missouri, Ladue Horton Watkins High School. 5th place from Michigan, Northville High School. 4th place from New York, Columbia High School. 3rd place from Colorado, Fossil Ridge High School. 2nd place from Michigan, International Academy Central. The national champion, New York, Fayetteville Manlius High School.
Please welcome back to the stage Dr. Putz.
I want to thank the presenters. Give them a round of applause as they exit the stage. Except P.J. Simon, Ken Janider, Dr. Lehman, and David Deptula, who will later be asked to assist me in presenting the trophies and the plaques in about 10 minutes. Now, before we get to the team awards, I'd like to recognize the Science Olympiad Global Ambassador Team from Japan. I'm going to ask Ayaka, could you please bring the delegation for Japan up to the stage? As they're coming up, I'd like to tell you in March of 2016, Sharon Putz and I traveled to Tokyo to meet with the G7 education and science leaders at the Japan Science and Technology Agency's 5th Annual Japan High School Science Championships. We were amazed by the creativity of the participants and impressed with JST's, that's their NSF, organization of that total event, which this year crowned the winner from Gifu High School. The grand prize for winning this competition was a visit to come share with you and visit the 2017 Science Olympiad National Tournament. And judging by the reports, I think the students from Japan had a wonderful time. They're supposed to nod their heads. Today, our Japanese guest competed in forensics, wind power, bridge building, and righted do it, and performed well in each of these. I think I have the results right here. But they wrote down the wrong events. The events that they were in, I'm glad Alan Chalker had a scoring, has the correct results. So this is very, very good. In forensics, they placed 22nd. In Game On, they placed 28th. And in helicopters, 55th. And righted do it, 22nd. In honor of your visit, I'd like to present you with these commemorative medallions from Science Olympiad. Congratulations. We value your continued friendship. Science Olympiad Special Awards. Please welcome the Science Olympiad Executive Administrator, Sharon Putz, and Ken Janader from Lockheed Martin.
Each year, we're fortunate to partner with Lockheed Martin to give an opportunity to the teachers to be nominated or apply themselves to come to our Summer Institute. Lockheed supports 2 Division B coaches and 2 Division C coaches. Before I announce the recipients, I'd like to ask Ken to step to the podium to make a few remarks.
Good evening. You know, to have a good team, you need a good coach. It's a mentoring process. A good successful company like Lockheed has a lot of mentors mentoring the younger people, and so we're all about mentoring and coaching younger people to move up, to be successful at what they do. I'm proud to be a part of Lockheed team, and Lockheed's proud to be a sponsor of the Coaching Award. It's an honor for us to give out these wonderful awards to these 2 individual people. Thank you.
The recipients are as follows. For Division B, for Piedmont IB Middle School, Corinna Mota. From Baker Middle School, Pavada Police. Would you please come to the stage? For Division C, Denise Thibodeau of Cathedral High School in Mississippi. And from Maple Mountain High School, Kyle Miller from Spanish Fort, Utah. Would you please come and have your picture taken with Ken? Rewards that we've given over the years on behalf of the management of Science Olympiad, the board, the supervisors who you worked with today, and your fellow competitors. We had many applications or forms from these supervisors saying that the students that they were working with today gave remarkable exhibition of the qualities of sportsmanship, teamwork, and the principles that we have for Science Olympiad and accomplishing our mission. Before I announce the winners, I would like David to step up and make some remarks. Ken.
In many things in life, it takes a team for accomplishment. And it's not just 1 or 2 people. Sometimes it takes a lot of people. It's about encouraging. It's about helping. It's about going beyond and above what you and you're doing on your team to help other people to succeed. Lockheed is very proud to be part of a teaming award. Lockheed as a company, we work together as a team to achieve the successes that we do. And it's so wonderful wonderful to see several teams that were exemplary today, showing teamwork and helping other people above and beyond. I congratulate all of you, especially the award winners in the teaming event.
When we announce the winner, with the whole team and the coaches come up, please. For Division B, the supervisors selected North Bethesda Middle School from Bethesda, Maryland. Would you please come to the stage?
Who's this?
Spirit Trophy and the $2,000 award from Lockheed Martin is Chattahoochee High School from Johns Creek, Georgia. Would you please join us on stage? To the podium to announce the winners of the DuPont Challenge Cup.
DuPont has supported Science Olympiad for the past 33 years. We're one of the founding sponsors, and it has always been a great honor. In fact, those of you who have medals, if you look on the reverse side, you'll see our logo. I'm extremely proud that for 33 years, every medal that a Science Olympiad student received, we sponsored that. DuPont has invented products that support almost every human endeavor. We're rooted in science, driven by engineering, and united by purpose to solve the world's greatest challenges. DuPont Science and Engineering provides safe, sufficient food, ample, sustainable energy, and protection for people and the environment. The DuPont Team Enterprise Award recognizes a breakthrough performance by a team exhibiting hard work, the work that's required not only to make it to a national competition, but to succeed at a very high level. To be eligible, teams may not have attended last year's national tournament. This year, there are 12 Division B and 23 Division C teams that are eligible. The team with the best overall performance that was within striking distance of being in the top 10. The winner of that award, the DuPont Enterprise Award for Division B, they ranked 13th place, and it is Baker Middle School. Division C, they placed 14th, and that school is Mentor High School. Mentor High School, I think you're one team that we gotta keep an eye on.
presentation of team awards. I'm going to ask the head coach and the team captain, one each, to come up and accept the awards for 10th through 7th place. Again, to help me present the trophies and the plaques will be Dean Klingbeil and Dean Lehman and P.J. Simon and Dr. Janader. For Division B, in 10th place, from the state of New York, Paul Jelinas, Junior High School. In 10th place, from the state of Illinois, Adelaide Stevenson High School. In 9th place, from the state of Pennsylvania, Springhouse Middle School. For Division C, in 9th place, New Trier High School. Division B, 8th place, Marie Murphy Middle School. In 8th place for Division C, from Texas Liberal Arts and Science Academy. In Division B, 7th place, from North Carolina, Piedmont Middle School. And in 7th place, for Division C, from Minnesota, Mounds View High School. Outstanding achievement. And I'm now ready to announce the places 4 through 6. In 6th place, For Division B, from Virginia, Longfellow Middle School. Were for 7 through 10 to come up with one coach and one captain. The whole team was welcome to come up for 6th place. Place for Division C. From the state of Texas, the whole team, William P. Clements High School. Place, Division B. From the state of Texas, Beckendorf Junior High School. For Division C, from the state of California, Mira Loma High School. Place. In Division B, from the state of Michigan, Meads Mill Middle School. Fourth place from Division C, also from the state of Michigan, Northville High School. Before I announce the top 3 winners and the 2 grand champions, we want to have the traditional host exchange, so I'm going to ask Dean, Lehman, and Klingbeil to remain on stage and ask the 2018 National Science Olympiad Tournament Coordinator, Steve Lavas, to come on stage for the traditional host exchange. You guys want to use that? You both right here.
It's been an honor for Wright State University to host this tournament. We've loved having you here and watching you compete. We hope you've had a chance to explore our campus while you were here and have seen some of Raider County. Once again, we want to congratulate everyone on making it this far and on your success in today's competition. We hope that you thank your teachers, coaches, and parents for all their help along the way. We'd also like to extend our heartfelt appreciation to the volunteers and sponsors who've helped us put this tournament together. Without their hard work and support, this weekend would not have been possible.
It's become a tradition that each university that hosts the Science Olympiad National Tournament passes on something to the next year's host. We've chosen here at Wright State to give something that not only represents our institution, but also the spirit of the Science Olympiad. Our namesakes, the Wright brothers, were simple bicycle shop owners, but they had a passion for asking questions and for solving problems. They taught themselves mathematics and engineering in their spare time. Because of their dedication and their ingenuity, they ended up teaching the world to fly. With that in mind, we'd like to give Colorado State University a derby hat, just like the ones the Wright brothers wore. Little known fun fact, the Wright brothers did not just wear these hats to be fashionable. They actually chose these hats because they're more aerodynamic and wouldn't blow off their heads when they were flying.
I don't think they asked about hat size. We are so excited to follow in the footsteps of Wright State University, which has given us such a wonderful show these last couple days. We really hope that all of you students had as much fun as we did, and we're greatly looking forward to hosting you all in the beautiful state of Colorado, in Fort Collins at Colorado State University in a year. You'll hear lots about Colorado State University in next year's opening ceremony with all sorts of wonderful videos focusing on all of the science careers you can launch there. To just name a few, we have world-class programs in veterinary medicine, atmospheric science, and fish, wildlife, and conservation biology, as well as new programs in global environmental sustainability, and a brand new major in fermentation science and technology, accompanied by a brand new microbrewery in the Student Center. I'm looking forward to it. But more than that, I think right now I'd like to focus on how excited we are to welcome you to our home in Fort Collins, Colorado, nestled at the foot of the Rocky Mountains with all manner of recreational opportunities for your whole family. I hope you'll bring them along for a vacation, hiking, fishing, perhaps some early season whitewater rafting. And finally, I'd like to leave you with a brief video, which hopefully will give you a brief taste of your experience in Fort Collins. I hope you all will join us there next year. Have a fantastic year, and thank you.
All right, you ready to find out who the grand champion is? In third place for Division B, from the state of Ohio's Solon Middle School. There was a tie for third place and second place. It had to be broken. by the total number of awards. The gold medal number of awards were the same. So in third place, also from the state of Ohio, Solon High School. For the photographer to give me the signal, and he did. So for Division B, in second place with a great score of 185 from the state of California, Winston Churchill Middle School. For Division C, with an excellent score of 211 from the state of Pennsylvania, Harrington High School. Believe me, only 15 of those team members had wristbands. We checked. All right, it is indeed my honor to announce the nation's overall grand champion for the 33rd Annual Science Olympiad, with an incredible score from Division B of 165 points. Let's please give a big round of applause to the state of Illinois, Daniel Wright Junior High School. Give them a big round of applause again. And now, for the grand champion of the National Science Olympiad, in first place with an equally incredible score of 192, from the state of California, Troy High School. While they're posing for their picture, we'll allow them to stay on stage. We know some have to catch their buses, but we hope everyone enjoyed the tournament and hope to see all of you next year in Colorado. Head coaches may pick up one copy of the results either left or center of stage. Just send up one head coach. Look forward to seeing everybody next year. Rocky Mountain High. Have a good evening and a safe trip home. Congratulations on all your success.